Good morning. Welcome to Karuna Vidyakshetra News. This is Fiza with you. Let's start with the headlines. Aura Phase 3 wraps with uniqueness and talents. India win 2 golds at World Youth Chess Championships 2022 in Romania. 6-year-old Anishka wins gold medal in the Malaysian chess meet. Rudreshwar, a boy from Chennai, crosses 337 feet reservoir in 7 minutes to break the world record. National Youth Championships 2022. If you believe in yourself and have dedication and pride and never quit, you will be a winner. The price of victory is high, but so are the rewards. These profound words by Bear Bryant shares a wholesome message to the world that when you work hard, the outcome is always delightful. As truly it is said, you can choose courage or you can choose comfort. You cannot have both. And when you choose courage, the end result is undefeated victory. Karuna Vidyakshetra International School saw a beautiful blend of victory and courage in Phase 3 of Aura with dance, drama, creativity and uniqueness. Starting with elocution competitions that made students motivated to speak out their minds to English, Hindi and Malayalam recitations. From fancy dress competition where students from kindergarten to grade 6 explored the world of imagination, to dancing to the tunes of old folk songs which gave a beautiful trip to nostalgia. From fashion show to western dance, the students of Karuna Vidyakshetra International School set an example of pure dedication, victory and getting out of comfort zone. The end result, as it says, was triumph and Karuna boomed with smiles and happiness. There was double delight for India at the World Youth Chess Championships 2022 held in Romania as Pranav Anand and Ilamprati A.R. emerged victorious. Pranav Anand from Bengaluru triumphed in the Open Under-16 category. Pranav Anand became India's 76th Grandmaster. India also came out on top in the Open Under-14 with Ilamprati's victory. 6-year-old Anishka won gold medal in the Malaysian Age Group Rapid Chess Championship at Kuala Lumpur. Anishka achieved the feat in the Under-6 Open category with an impressive score of 4 points out of possible 6. R. Rudreshwar, a 12-year-old child prodigy, entered the Nobel Book of World Records for crossing a 103 meters (337 feet) reservoir within record-breaking time of 7 minutes and 2 seconds. The event took place at Muruchur, Chennai and was felicitated by official members of Nobel Book of World Records. Jharkhand's 15-year-old Ashakiran Bala, a semi-finalist in Under-20 World Championships in Colombia, broke the girls' 800 meters meet record in the 17th National Youth Athletics Championships. Long jumper Mubsina Muhammad won Lakshadweep's first national level gold in athletics. Kerala's Ashlyn Alexander and Maharashtra's Sakshi Champolal Chavan emerged the fastest boy and girl of the championships, winning the 100 meters crown, while Kerala's P. Abhiram and Maharashtra's Isha Rajesh Jadhav were the fastest quarter-milers. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more stories from the desk of Karuna. This is Fiza signing off. Thank you.